Well, it's what I get. I bought this little, I believe it was a Maco 200 that somebody vinyled over and, painted up, I guess tried to trick it out. Um, but I bought it on eBay. Tell the truth, I only paid like $50 for it. Is the only reason I bought it, and it had two tubes in it. And it was like 35 shipping, which is pretty cheap. So I only had like $80 in the thing, but it came in this box here, and I'm like, well, it's not great, but it's not too bad. I had it in the box, been sitting a couple weeks, and finally got to it today, and opened up the box, and he had a little bit of bubble wrap. Not a lot, and some paper in there. But I pulled it out and took the bubble wrap off. It was maybe an inch, a couple wraps around. Not a big pillow, and all that like when I ship. But anyway, after I got the bubble wrap out, you can see the broken glass down there, and also that center switch is broken off. That wasn't there in the original eBay sale. So I'm like, oh boy, here we go again. And you could hear the glass rattling and all that stuff when when I pulled it out. You can see the sides kind of bent up there too. So we took the screws out, the top and the bottom, and then we pulled the camera out because I kind of dread, when you see that, you already know, and you hear the rattling, that those tubes are gone. So here we go. I guess I'll turn it to the side here and come on off of there. Did I miss a screw? Looks like I got all the screws. There we go. Oh. Yeah, there we go. There was our two tubes. Yeah, at least I got some more of them. What were they? 6 LF6 or something like that. So yeah, I got some. That's what I get, right? That's kind of interesting, one plate choke, 2 tube sockets. Yeah, very interesting. Is there another plate choke? Both the tubes had plate chokes, but I don't see another one busted off in there. Very interesting. Interesting stuff. Well, yeah. Yep. Used to be a pinball game I used to like. What's it called? Carnival? Something like that. Anyway, it used to say, you spin the wheel, you take your chances. And, that's pretty much what eBay is. That's the underneath with the cover off. Get some spiders and some bugs. At least I don't see no roaches or nothing in there. And that's the caps. It's like somebody modded the, heck out of that. Anyway, I guess except it's beat up a little and the tube's broken. Looked like somebody added some circuit boards in there and a second relay. Very interesting. Wonder what they were trying to do. I guess that'll be fun to figure out. So that's it on this Maco 200. I guess you get what you pay for. Or, as the pinball machine used to say, you spin the wheel, you take your chances. Alright, that's it for this. Bye.